You need to, if you want to open Excel, you need to click in search bar and write Excel. So when you type that, you will see the application. You have to click on that and it will open up. But if you want, like on taskbar, like me, I have in taskbar. So you have, if you want that, you have to right click on that and pin on taskbar. So you have to select that. Because mine one is already pinned, so it says unpin from the taskbar. But if you want to pin, it must be showing your pin to the taskbar. So you have to select that. Once you have done that, you can go on the icon, click here and open here. Because I was using, so mine is already open. So if you have a data, so how do you enter the data? You just click in the cell, whichever cell you prefer, and you start typing. I say task. Yeah. So the other thing is like in Word, when we type something, the first letter becomes capital after entering, but this one is not. You have to write capital letter. So you will do T capital and then task. Yes, that's how you do it. But here you go list of the things. This is how, I mean, I'm going to show you how to generate a table. So you type items, so to give a title, items. This is the value. This is the first value. So I will say first. So as I said, it doesn't show the first value. First value. And if you want to copy, you can either copy like that, or if you want to do the whole cell, it will do the whole cell. So, or you can do this. So I don't want the whole cell, I just want to copy the value. So what I will do, I will click in here, I will double click in here, and then I will just select the ones I want. So I want this one, I will copy, and then I will click, and I will say second, and value, control V, and then control V you can do, or either you can do, this one is third value. So I will say third, and I will select here, right click, and then once we paste is here, paste option. So I will just paste. Okay, so paste here. Now this looks more like, I mean, doesn't seem very helpful. Like it doesn't show that which one is the title and stuff like that. So what you need to do is go up here and change the font size. I will make it bigger, like bold, and make it one size bigger. So when you do that, can you see here, I mean, this doesn't show the whole thing. So what you need to do here, right, click, double click here, it will open up. So again, double click here, and again double click here. So you can see now it's all clear. Now what you have to do, you might want to change the color of it. So if you want to change the color of it, you need to go here and select the color you want. But this one will keep, I like more like light colors because they are easy on eyes. So maybe I will go for green, light green. And yeah, so this shows very clearly. So this is the title, and then you have columns underneath. But still you need a little bit more to do. So you will add, you want to add the table. So you got different options here. You need to select all borders. So when you select all borders, it will come up like that. So it's more like nice, decent look. Yeah, and then if you want the total here, you can type just total, and you might want to make it big and bold. And also the color, you might want the same one. So yeah, you select that, and then you, if you want to sum up this, so you go here, auto sum, so it will add all of them here, so that you don't have to do manually. Or this is the good thing about Excel, so you don't have to write one thing and just calculate again and again. So it will make much more easier for you. So you just do auto sum, and look, the selection came. You can either go this quick key, or you can do it by yourself. You just write equal and sum. I think this one is much more easier, so because it's already here and it's quick and easy. So you just like that, and press, when you see that, press the enter button and it will come up. So you can see 647. All of them are like the same amounts. I have entered, but I've done like other way around, so it will come up same amounts. Same you can do, if you want to do, you can do the same, or either you can copy. So just say copy and control V. So see, the formula has been copied. The good thing, because as I've told you, I have done the same numbers, but like other way around. So this one is starting from 11, so you see that. So it's lowest to highest to highest to lowest, so like that. But if I change the amount here, let's say I do 21, it will change. So 57, so you can see exactly the formula is working. If you want to copy, look, this is a good thing. Look, if you want, you can just copy here again, and the formula will be copied as well automatically. Escape. So again, you can see 607. You might think this you have copied that. No. Let's change the value, and then you will see it will be working. Let's say this one is 32. We will make it 91, and you will see, like, by the look, I have click and the amount has changed, so formula is working. And the other way to look if the formula is working or not, you have to select here and see. Look, you can see exactly where this is, so this means formula is working perfectly fine. So that's how you do it. Now to clean up, you just select that and go again here. Here this option, either you can select here because you have already chosen this one, so you can select that, and you can also select other ones. So let's say, because this is total, so I want even bold. So this one is light, right? I want a bold line, so I will select that. Sorry, this one. Oh, I don't want that. I want to select here, so I will do the bold one so that it stands out. So I will go here all the way down, thick outside borders, so I will select that. And plus I want and this one to be borders as well. Good. So can you see that? So thick outline border. So this one stands out. You can clearly see that it's thick. So yeah, that's how you do it. Look, this one is just a slight changes has make like a lot of difference. And you go and change the colors. You can play around with this one. So maybe you want them a bit like green, a little bit darker green. And then you want them to be different. Maybe you want them pinky, orange, light shade. And then you want this to be maybe grayish, and this to be maybe purple. We can go for purple, but purple is so dark. We don't want to go for a dark color. Maybe I think this is a nice color. And then for the totals, we can have some decent colors. Maybe yellow. I like yellow color. Yeah, we can go for all yellow totals. So all yellow, which means that this stands out. Can you see that it's clearly title, and then you have this is much more compared to the one we had in the beginning. So yeah, so it looks more nice. And even you can give the title to it. So what is it? Total cost of something. Maybe we can call it anything. So look, let's add. So how because when I made this one, I left a little space here. So what I need to do, I need to add more cells on the top so that I have more space for title. What I will do, I will click here, right click, and then I will say insert. When I select insert, it will insert another cell. So I will insert again because I need a little bit more space. So here I have more space now. I will select, well, first of all, I will write whatever title I want. What shall I say? The total cost of three values. So monthly cost I will call it monthly cost. Yes, I'll call it monthly cost. So I want it a little bit bigger than this value, so I will merge the cell. Okay, so here merge in the center, so I will do that, merge in the center. I will select that, so it has merged two cells and it came in the center. So now I will do wrap the text. So I wrap the text. So again I will go here on the border. I will do the thick border. Yes, definitely, more definitely I will do that. And then I will bold it, change the color of maybe I want to keep it white. Looks nice as well. And I definitely want a bigger size, so I will change the size of it, monthly cost. So yeah, maybe I will change the color. So I will select no, maybe a bit darker. You can do this one. This one is nice. Yes. So yeah, that's how it looks. That's how you can create the title, and then you have the subheadings and headings, and then you have total and everything. So that's very easy peasy. So now I have this table, and I want it in a column shape, or maybe in columns, and so that I can see, because sometimes it's much difficult for us to read all this. And then so then you can create, select here, and then click on here, and then you can go for charts maybe, and Then you have different options. You can create this one, this one, this one, this scattered one. Yeah. So can you see the different colors? So it's showing different values. So in first one, second one, and third one. So let's take an example. So I've got this one here. So how to read this? We have sand here, sand, and then I have 22. We can clearly see that this is above 20, so which means that it's 22, and this is 21. It's slightly above the 20 line. So this one is definitely 21, and you can clearly see that this is 90. So this data is accurately being transferred. You know, you can also play around here. You can change the title of it. So let's say so you have a title monthly cost, so you can click here and change the title, chart title. It's monthly cost, so you can go here and copy this one and escape, go back, yes, okay, copy here this one, and again double click, and that's control, then back, control V. You can paste here. So monthly cost, it clearly shows that this is the value. And here you can see the first value. Here, this first value. So first value is in blue. So first value is in blue, and then you have this color, orange color, and then you have gray color. So clearly you can see that. It's very, very easy. And if we go back and see what other options do we have here, so select here and see. We got tables, we want charts, so scattered one. So again, you can play with that. This is the like horizontal one. So before we had verticals, now we have vertical one. Now this one is the horizontal. You can see this one horizontal. Some people are good at reading these ones, so they prefer horizontal because it's much more easier for them to read. And then you have like grand spices and everything, and the numbers here. Again, this is the key is given, and chart title you can change, always double click and change it. And you can add stuff here as well. So let's go back and see what other options do we have here. So go back here and then go to tables, and yes, no, not tables, sorry, we have to go to charts. So we have also these ones. These ones I find it a bit confusing because you can see this is like a mix up some. No, I don't like that one. It's like confusing for me. But some people might find it more interesting, or more like they might be able to do much better at that compared to the other ones. But for me, I don't like that one. Again, go for charts. This one is fine. This one is okay, but again, not my favorite one. So I prefer more like that one, or this maybe, but this is my favorite one. Yeah, so whichever you prefer, you can play around and see. So then you can go, maybe you can go more and see, look here, more like a bigger picture of it. So you might want that one, this one, that one, or maybe this one, maybe this one. So whichever you. How to use data validation in Excel. So sometimes we have phone numbers, and we don't want to make a mistake. And we want to record the correct numbers. So to do that, we have to do data validation. So what do? You select the cells where you want to put in. So let's say I want to put in 50, up to 15 cells. So I want to record the phone numbers. So what I will do, I will select that, and then I will go to the data, and then from data, I will go to the data validation. Here you select data validation. Yeah, and you go there. So you have to select the text length, and then from here equal to, I will select equal to, and then I want up to 10 digits, so I will select 10. But let's say I want to just 10 digits, and say okay. So if I put anything, let's say I put these numbers, it would give a number. So this value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell, so it will give me that message. So this will allow me to put correctly the correct numbers, just in case if I miss one or something, so it will help me. Let's try the right numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, because we selected 10 numbers. So let's say it accepted. So let's try, if I try these numbers, it won't accept. So in one cell you write something, and you want this to be copy and paste in the rest of the cells. So how do you do that? So let's say select all the cell where you want to paste. So let's say I want to paste in all of them, and in this one you write whatever you want to paste in all of them. So you write that and control enter. You see it's been pasted without any effort. So you don't have to do like manually 1 1 2 2 2. So So here you go, you have typed some data here, and it's not in very professional way, and you want it in a very professional way. And you know, the drop down list where you can select whatever you want to keep here and whatever you want to. So let's do it. So you select all this, and then you have to select this option. When you select this option, you need to go to the tables, and when you go to the tables, you need to go to this first tables option. When you go there, you will see here, you can see you have drop down showing all. So if you want to show all of them, then you can select, or you can unselect this. Then you can just pick the one you want. Yeah, maybe this one. So okay. So last one, then 2, and so this is the only one showing. Yeah. So this is how you can select, and then you can take off there, just keep one. Maybe, yeah. So these are the fees. They have selected one of the fee. So this is very, very helpful when you're dealing with a great amount of numbers and big spreadsheets. So this trick will help you a lot, and then you don't have to put a lot of formulas. It's very quick and easy way of doing it. Thank you. So here is the data you have, and you have got like different options here, and you want it in a very, this is not like very professional way of doing it, and so you want in a very professional table. So you select this, and then you select this option. When you go there, then you go to the tables, and then you select pivot table, whichever you want, whichever you prefer. So you select here, and it will come up like that. So here how you go like different options. So you select here. So let's say you have like fees, rent, salt, sand, spices, sugar, so etc. You have. So if you want some of them not in the list, then you just select here, and then you untick that. And okay, so you won't see the salt here again. So then you want to untick the spices, so you don't see the spices here. So if you want them back, then you just select it, tick them, and tick them, and it will come up here. So yeah, that's how you can make a very, very professional and advanced level table. So if you want to create a chart for this one, so that you can clearly see the percentage or whatever, like how many sales you have made or anything. So you select this option, and then you go to this option. Here you select the charts, and when you select the charts, so then you don't have to go through so many. This is a very shortcut way of it. Then you have this option. Here you can see clearly. So it's 20 here, and 22 here, and this is so all of them. So this is your first one. So this one, first one, second one, third one, 14th. So you can clearly see 22, this one, and then you have 11, and then you have 28, like here somewhere, and then you have 88 is up here, 88 all the way. So here you can see the pie chart. So then again you can go back and select here, and if you want again chart, so you that was like horizontal, then you can have so that was vertical, and then now you can have a horizontal as well. So some people make feel easier to read this one than the other one. So if you want the horizontal one, you can have this one. So you can have numbers here, and then you can have the total amount here. So this is how you can do this one. And the next one is the same thing. You go here, then you go to the charts, and then you have a line. So some people like line instead of, it's more easier for them to read. So if you are that kind of person, you can select this option. And here you have clearly this one is going up, this one is going down. It will show you exactly. And there is another option which you can select. So if you select here again, go to the charts, and this is the very scatters. So some people like this. So they want the exact place where it is, and then the line going in there, So if you like that, you can select that one, and you can also add here like what is X is representing, the title, and whatever you want. You can make a on the side, you can create the icons like this represent that. And apart from that, you have another option here. So here you go to charts again, and then you have this one. So here you have like different options, so whichever you want to select. So all of them are here. So you want to go for this, you want to go for that, this or this. So whichever you prefer, whichever is easier for you, which one you find it easy to read, so you can select. So now you don't have to go back and create charts here, this blah 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 blah. You can just quickly do that. Very shortcut way of doing it. So you have data here from here to here. So instead of using so many formulas or going through here, there, and so many options, I will show you how you can do like a quick shortcut for and analyzing this data. So so if you want to select this option here, you can see you've got different so you've got like bars, so they're coming this way, so you can see exactly. So this is like full and then less and more less, and so exactly you don't have to go through little tiny numbers, so you can quickly and easily analyze this data. So going back, and you will see other options. So you have different colors here, and these indicate different, so you can color code them. So let's say green, you can say this is what, and you can red color is for that, and pink color is for this, light green is for like 50% or above something. So you can analyze quickly instead of like going through numbers. Again, you have another option where you can have these arrows showing the, so if it's less than 50, it's going downwards, the arrow direction is downward, and if it's more than 50, it's going upwards, and if it's 50 or between like 50 somewhere, so it's going towards right. So the direction of the arrow and the color of the arrow shows the by looking at that, you can analyze this data. And apart from that, you have more options like this. So this will show you the greater, so the greater amounts, like more than 50, it will show. Less than 50, it will not show. So if you want to see like big amounts, and then you just select that, and the percentage is this. So this will show like what percent. So this is the highest. So this is the highest, so it will select the highest. So let me show you again. So if you want to see which one is the highest, what is the top, this one is the top number. So here in the list, you can see 90 is the top number. So if you want to see the top number, you select this column and then go here, and then you formatting, and then you go on this option top. And if you don't want to keep all of these, then you just clear it, and when you clear it, nothing is here. So you can quickly see and then just clear it. Here's the data, and you want how many are there, so you select all of it, and then you count. Select this option, go to the totals, and then you want to count how many are there. So here you are, 14 are there. But if you want sum without using any formula, so then you have to go back and then select all of them, and select this option again, then select totals again, and then you select sum. And sum, here you have your total of all this. So if you want to find the average without using any formula, so you select this column, and the one you want the average, then you select this option, and then totals. From totals, you select this option, average. And here you have your average. If we have a data like this and we want a percent of sales, so what do we have to do? We will select all of this column, and then select this option. When you go to that, and then you go to the totals. The totals, you have to select, if you want like a total at the bottom, you select this option, but if you don't want that, then you have to go this way and select the total of this side, and here you will see it will come up this, and you say okay, and all of them are here. That's it. How to create an abbreviation in Excel. So if I type here NHS and enter, it will come its full form, like National Health Services. And if I do BBC, it will come British Broadcasting Corporation. How do you do that? So you go to File, Options, and here you select Proofing, Auto Correct Options, and here you write maybe BBC, and it will come its full form. So you replace with this. So you type whatever short form you want to keep here, and then its full form will come here, and then you press OK, and it will be automatically coming. So here you can see. Again, NHS, enter, to come from BBC, enter, to come its full form.
Thank you for watching. Please click like, comment and subscribe.